Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about components of dental pulp. What are the components that made up dental pulp? So let's start our topic with introduction. The dental pulp is complex but dynamic tissue that plays a critical role in development, maintenance, and defense of tooth. It has cellular components, extracellular matrix, and vascular supply and nerve supply that combine to form the pulp structure, and also lymphatic system is there. We will start our discussion with the cellular components of pulp. So the first cellular component of the pulp is odontoblasts. They are specialized cells located at the periphery of the pulp adjacent to the dentine. They are responsible for producing dentine throughout the life and the tooth of the tooth and play a defensive role by forming a reparative dentine in response to stimuli. The next cellular component of pulp is fibroblast, the most abundant cell in the pulp. Fibroblasts synthesize and maintain the extracellular matrix, including collagen fibers, which provide structural support to the pulp. The next cellular component of dental pulp is undifferentiated mesenchymal cells. These stem cells have the ability to differentiate into odontoblasts, fibroblasts, or when the pulp is injured, aiding in repair and regeneration. So that's why they are called as undifferentiated mesenchymal cells because they can differentiate into any type. The next we have are the immune cells in dental pulp. That may include macrophages, dendritic cells, and lymphocytes. These cells help combat infection and inflammatory processes within the pulp. Now we will talk about the extracellular matrix of dental pulp. Extracellular matrix is composed mainly of type 1 and type 3 collagen fibers, and it provides structural support to the pulp tissue. Proteoglycans and glycoprotein within the extracellular matrix contribute to the pulp hydration in its ability to withstand the mechanical forces. Now we will talk about the vascular supply of dental pulp. The dental pulp is richly vascularized with arterioles, venules, and capillaries. Blood vessels enter the pulp through the apical foramen and branch out to nourish the pulp tissue and support its metabolic function. The vascular network is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing metabolic waste. Now we will talk about the nerve supply of dental pulp. The pulp contains myelinated and unmyelinated nerve fibers responsible for transmitting sensory signals to the brain. These fibers enter through the apical foramen, forming the plexus of Rexhaw in the cell-rich zone. Sensory nerve fibers in the pulp mediate pain and respond to thermal, mechanical, and chemical stimuli. Now we'll talk about lymphatic system of the pulp. Lymphatic vessels in the pulp aid in fluid drainage and play a role in immune defense by transporting the waste and immune cells away from the tissue. So this was all about the components of dental pulp. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.